Hello students, today we are going to start Standard 5th Subject Maths Problem Set 31. Question number 1. In the figure given alongside point S, L, M and N are on a circle, answer the question with the help of diagram. Now this diagram is given to you and question they have given. Now with the help of diagram you will answer the question. Like here, write the name of the arc with end point S and M. The end point should be S and M. This and this. So how you will write? The arc with the end point S and M are arc S, L, M starting and end point. See here, I have make a arc S, L, M and another arc S, N, M. In this way you have to complete first answer. Similarly, second answer, write the name of the arc with the end point L and N. Now L and N should be the end point. So here I am making a box for understand you. Now I will make a arc. Arc LSN. LSN here you can write anyway. L arc LMN in this way. So you have to complete question 1 and 2. Now same way question number 2 we will see. Write the name of the arc with that points A, B, C and D in the given circle rise to. In the circle A, B, C, D point is there and you have to first write the end point of 2 and in the another end point of 2 and make the arc. So see here I have shown you arc with the end point A and C. Here I have taken A and C. You have to make an arc now. Arc A, B, C and arc A, D, C in this way. See the second one, arc with the end point B and D. B and D, another arc I have taken. You can take any arc. Here are arc BAD and arc BCD in this way. Now see question number 3. Give the name of the arc that are made by point P, Q, R, S and T in the figure. Now 5 point is given P, Q, R, S and T. You have to make a end point of 5. So take a end point of PR. First we have taken end point of P and R. So let's start. Arc PQR first arc and second arc PTR you can take, or you can take PSR, no matter, you can take PTR also and PSR also. So here I have taken PTR. See the next one, taking end point QS. Q and S we have taken the end point in this. Okay, here I have taken this one. So QNS, QRS and arc QTS, or you can take QPS also. See the next one, taking end point R and T. R and T. R arc RST, one arc and arc RPT in this way. Second last, taking end point S and P. Now we have taken S and P. You have to make a arc now. Arc STP and arc SRP. Same way the last you have to do it. The end point Q and T are arc QPT and arc QST. So in this way you have to solve this problem set. Here we complete the chapter. Thank you students.